hubieras venido más temprano.
Did Alex come?
Mhm.
Oh, so nice. Her hair is so soft. She has a lot of hair.
I know, I'm surprised
like you.
When she was coming out. I'm like, what? Hair? Look.
She's small.
Oh yeah. How old is she now?
She's going to be
A day old
in 10 minutes. She's going to be 10 hours.
Old. 10 hours old. Well, 10 hours young.
Not a day yet until tomorrow. First hours of life.
So,
Ya tiene un montón de
I want to
fotos.
bring her home already. I'm going to stick